Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to another new video. In today's video, I will be telling you about Multani Mitti, which is a widely known substance powder used for various things and as a DIY because I love DIY. It comes very handy to me, so why not? And this will be a big informative video, so you have to hold your patience a bit to end this video. I will also try to mention the timestamps in the description box below, so if you want you can skip to that particular timestamp. I will recommend you to watch the full video, but I will recommend you to watch the full video to get the entire information which I have collected and which may help you in turn. So without any further ado, let's just get started with the video. Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth, is a mineral-rich clay. It forms by the crystallization of volcanic glass, so automatically it is found near volcanoes. It is also known as Fuller's Earth, which was given the name by the foreign countries, but it is widely and preferably known as Multani Mitti in our India. Now, Multani Mitti has its roots deep touched with our culture. Our grandmothers, their grandmothers, and great great grandmothers used Multani Mitti to cure wounds, to heal the skin, and many more things. So, it is tightly attached with our tradition, and which is why I love it I love it so much more. Mitti originally gets its name from the city of Multan, which is in present day Pakistan. So you can understand how much old and how much tradition this Multani Mitti holds with our culture. Moving on to the availability part. Multani Mitti is available online and offline. I personally purchase it from the local grocery stores or local stores because one, it is easily available, and two, I support them. I like to support the local businesses. So coming to the affordability part, now Multani Mitti is very much cheap. Like I showed in my last video that I got a 100-gram packet for 15 rupees. So which is too much cheap, and you can even get it for 20-30 depending on the quantity of the product you're purchasing. But and go if we move to the expensive side, it comes around 100 to 200 rupees depending on the brand which you are coming across. There are a few brands which make commercial boxes and sell the Multani Mitti, but whatever you are using, check for the authenticity of the product. Like if you see that you get 100% of the Multani Mitti in your packet and not any other thing adulterated with it. Multani Mitti helps in curing acne scars, pimples, blemishes, or any dark spots which is already present in your skin. It helps to clean the oil, dirt and grime from your scalp and your skin and makes it supremely clean. So Multani Mitti is also well known as a good cleanser. Multani Mitti is known to cure wounds, cuts, or whatever you have had already in your skin. It is also known to cure inflammation, burns, or tanning from your skin. With that, there are many other more benefits to Multani Mitti. Moving on to the disadvantage or the drawback part of Multani Mitti. The Multani Mitti has a little bit of skin soring problem. I personally didn't ever notice anything with my skin, but yeah, it has some skin soring problem, so I would recommend you to patch test it, although it's a natural product. And the second drawback which I have noticed is that multani mitti is a little too drying for the skin. Like if you are from oily skin type, it won't give you any problem, but if you are from dry skin type, it may leave your skin stripped of moisture. So you can either you have to apply a very good hydrating moisturizer as soon as you have cleansed or used multani mitti on your skin, or you can just check it out that if it works for you or not. Multani mitti has no age bar. If you are of 11 to 16, if you are of 20, late 30s, early 30s, any point of the time you are ready to use it, you won't face any problem with that, because you are preparing the thing with your own hands in your home. You are not using any other preservatives or other chemicals or any other product in that, so it will work amazingly. And it is gender neutral too. If you are men, if you are women, if you are children, you can use it without any fear. There is no problem to that. You can use it in multiple ways. You can mix it with curd, you can mix it with turmeric, you can mix it with honey, you can mix it with curd and honey together, you can mix it with cinnamon powder, honey and curd, you can mix it with other powders like sandalwood powder or arita powder or something, some sort of like that. You can mix it with simple water, you can mix it with rose water, you can mix it with your daily toner, you can mix it with aloe vera gel, you can mix it with bamboo gel, and so much more. You can do so much according to your choice, but I personally prefer to mix 1 tablespoon of multani mitti with 1 tablespoon of water and apply it on my cleansed face directly and drag it down to my neck area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes until that clay becomes totally completely dry, and then just wash it off. In the same way, you can also use it on your scalp. You can just rinse your scalp using that before or in replacement of using a shampoo, but make sure that too much of oiled hair will not give a good result with multani mitti. You need to have less or no oil in your hair, then only it will leave you with a oilless hair after your hair wash. So make sure if you're doing that, don't apply too much oil. Now let's just sum up all the points into one and let you know that if you can use it or not. Coming to the first point, it is related to our India's tradition. Secondly, it has numerous benefits and very less drawbacks, so you can easily use it if you are not allergic to those 2 points. Coming to the third point, it is gender neutral and age neutral, so you can use it at any point of the time. And the fourth point, it is very easy to use, so you can just mix it with water if you don't have anything else in your house, and you can use it on the go in just like a click. You can use it. It is easily available online, offline. It is very, very, very affordable. So many of good points brings me to the point that I definitely recommend Multani Mitti for everyone, and only if you are not allergic, and I personally love it and I'll continue using it. So if you are a fan of all these points and if you want to give it a try, then from my recommendation, it is a big yay, and you can definitely try it out to just amp up your skincare game and give it little bit of more glow, more hydration, more moisturization, more nutrition and whatnot, and so much more. So with that, we are done with today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the big fat thumbs up button and show some love to me. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the small bell icon just beside it to stay notified whenever I upload my next video. And I love you all so much. Also, I forgot to mention that don't forget to comment down below. Please comment down below and let me know how I am doing with my videos. I know I am in a new journey. I make multiple mistakes every day, but I do take all the positive criticisms which you all share with me, and I am very much fortunate that you all respond to my videos. So don't forget to comment down below about this video and what all you want me to try next. And until next time, lots of love and bye.